Albert, you wanna go outside? Okay, you go outside. Hey, listen. Look at me. Look at me first. Albert, look at me. You wipe your foot, huh? When you come in later, you wipe. Albert, look at me. Look at me. Albert. 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 You're not going outside. I'm not gonna open the door if you don't look at me. You wipe your foot when you come in, okay? All right. There. There you go. He went to go wee-wee. Umihi na siya. Ayun siya. Mag-wee-wee-wee na siya. Ko tatayo pa ata. Magpupupo pa ata. Yan po yung canopy namin na i-build nila. Ayun, mag-wee-wee-wee. Magpupupo na siya. Meron na naman akong iskupin na pupo. Yan po yung apple namin. Yan ang garden. Ayun po yung mga spinach at bok choy. Yan ang mga potato. Itong mga cabbage, collard greens po yung nandun. Tapos na siya. Aren't you gonna wipe your foot? There you go. You wipe your foot. Okay. Good job, Albert. Good job. Good job. Come in. Come on in now. Come on. All right. Good job, Albert. Good job. Now you're gonna eat. You want your dental stick? You want your dental stick so you can brush your teeth? Okay. I'll go get you a dental stick. Yan po yung cabinet sa bathroom. They delivered this morning. Ayan. Gusto niya ng dental stick. Kunan po natin siya ng dental stick. Sandali lang po. Yan. Dental stick niya. Nagtututbrush po yan every day. Okay, here. Is your dental stick, baby? Tututbrush na si Albert. Ayan siya. Tutbrush na siya. Malapit na. Yan lang po. Bye-bye. Say bye, Albert. Bye-bye.